This is June 19, paper 12. Okay, and our topic is trigonometry. So let's see how we can do the question. First of all, read the question carefully. Sine x is equal to a plus b, and cos x is equal to a minus b. So whenever these kind of questions come, and he say a, b are constants. So and mostly he says a square plus b square. Show that a square plus b square is a constant. Okay, so whenever these kind of ideas come, so we have a one point very important, and what is that? Students, sine square x and plus cos square x is 1. You can say, sir, what is the reason behind? Reason, he said constant, and constant mean without x. So whenever I want to eliminate x, students, so we must need squares of them, because sine x plus cos x is never one. It is only possible with power 2's, and second number, not even sine square x minus cos square x is equals to 1, not even this. So that is logic. You understand that the power 2's I need and plus I need. That is why you see two powers and in the middle plus sign. So I believe you understanding the point of view, and that is the reason what I'm going to do. I'm writing first of all, okay, this I count sine x is equal to a plus b. I count this equation number 1. I'm squaring both sides. When I square both sides, what I get left hand side, sine square x, and right hand side, I get a plus b whole square. So if I simplify, what I get, here, squaring identity, you write 2 times multiply, but best technique as a teacher, I suggest you first term square, 2 into first term, second term, plus second term square. This A will come in first two brackets, you can see A, and B will come in next two brackets, so B and B. And finally, this part is done. A square plus 2ab and plus b square equation. This is done. Okay, I give this name as a 2. Okay, this part done, students. Now I discuss the other one. So take the other one. And what is the other one? That is a cos x is equal to a minus b. I give an equation number 3. Now again, squaring both sides. So when I square both sides, I get a cos square x and a minus b whole square. Left hand side cos square stay as it is, but right hand side again I was using squaring identity, but make sure, because due to negative sign I will write 2 negative. Okay, make sure this is a very important point. Okay, so a comes here and a comes here, b comes here and here. So simplifies furthermore, and then I will proceed. A square negative 2ab plus b square, equation number 4. So student, this equation and this equation I'm going to add. I'm writing here equation 2 and equation 4, just add. So when I add sine square and cos square left hand side, I will get sine square x plus cos square x. So right, left hand side with left hand side add, and right hand side and right hand side add. Okay, or I can do another way even, that is a more effective. You know what other way technique? Look, I'll show you. Hold on. Drag slightly up and slightly drag up. Okay, all right, here slightly up, and I make a line in the middle, because partially one job is over. Okay, and second partially job is one over here. Now I'm just writing up and down and add them. 2 plus 4. So what happening, students? So this equation I copy paste. Equation 2 I'm going to copy. Equation 2 I'm going to copy. You can see copy and paste here. So inshallah, I believe you will understand. This is done. Okay. So, and now I'm going to do the other one, same story here. So 2 and 4 number, I am going to do this even, right? So let's see now, copy and paste here. So when I do this way, so what happens, student? Now naturally, when make a line, so this is cancel automatic. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. And here I got, if you add them 1, it got a 1. And a square, I got a 2a square. B square, I got a 2b square. Now this 2 common from here, I get this kind of thing. And afterwards, what to do, student? This 2 will divide under it. And finally, I get a square plus b square equals to 1 over 2, which is constant, So it is approved, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now let's go for next plan. And next plan is what? He said that tan x. How to get tan x, students? So sine up and cos down. Sine up and cos down. Equation 1 divided by 3. I repeat, equation number 1 divided by 3. That is why I need tan. So I'm writing here 1 divided by 3. So according to criteria, okay, I show you both equations. So again, same process. Equation number 1, I copy from here and I paste here. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. I paste here. And then I do the second equation. This is sorry, third equation, which is given on top. So copy here and I paste here. And actually what I'm doing, I'm dividing them. And dividing criteria, all of you know it. I raise a equal sign and I equation also and make a line and make a line and equal sign. So what is this? Sine over cos give you tan x, all of you familiar. And a plus b, a minus b as it is. You can see tan x is given how much? 2. So this I'm writing 2 and equals to a plus b by a minus b. Now cross multiply. This will multiply left hand side. I got 2a minus 2b equal to a plus b. He said a in terms of b. So I have to make a alone. So this a comes this side and b goes on the other side. All right, wait a minute. Okay, other side. So what ultimately I'm getting? So 2a minus a equal to b plus 2b. And I got a equal to 3b. Proved. This is not proved, sorry. I mean, this he was asking a in terms of b. And I believe you got a point. So ultimately, we want to learn lesson. So whenever he give you this kind of question, sine and cos involved, and he asks you show it a constant. So only best technique is what? Because we know that sine square plus cos square equal to 1. So I will square them first of all, and then I will add them. And this is the only technique then we can get rid of sine square plus cos square and we get a purely constant. And you have seen, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this is 1, and this is ultimately I have a half lap, which is a constant and proved. So I think the concept is very, very